What is up, everybody? I'm back with another trade recap. It's been like 2 weeks, but I haven't been trading, so this is my first, well, actually my second day trading, but I didn't take anything yesterday or today. Also, oh my god, I just recorded a 10-minute video and didn't like it because I was just yapping too much. So I'm gonna go over this trade recap. I did not make any. I made literally $0 today, but I'm gonna go over how I could have caught a pretty good move. So I have Spy and QQQ both like charted out, but Spy had everything charted more in depth. So wait, was it this? No, was it? Okay, so QQQ was a better setup, but I have more stuff charted on Spy. So right here on the 1 hour, we came into a what the hell? Oh, yeah, we came into a fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. Never closed above. It never inversed. It just closed in discount. So I was like, okay, well, this looks pretty good. Also, this 1 hour fair value gap never got tapped into. That's a breakaway gap. So I was like, okay, well, definitely this looks kind of bearish. So looking at this external model before it even dumped, I was expecting pre-market low to get taken, yesterday low to get taken, and we also have a new day opening gap. So there's a lot of sell side liquidity that needs to get taken out of the market before we can make a move higher. So go on the 3 minute. So right here we had a 3 minute fair value gap. Price never inversed it, kept respecting it, and that right there was telling me, okay, well, we probably want to go lower. Now on QQQ, this was the better setup because I saw a displacement, and I was like, this just is a better setup. So literally, pretty much the exact same setup, but this 1 hour fair value gap actually got tapped into. It was not. Oh my god, yo, hold on. I just looked at a contract 242. Oh, this contract's at $401. Okay, no joke. I literally made a video. I just got done yapping like 3 minutes ago, and it's 2 minutes into the video. 3 minutes ago, I checked this contract. It was at $242. It is now at 403. So this contract went up from $100. Would have like so the entry would have been at 957. That was at $101. It's now at 403. That is crazy. Okay, anyway, stop yapping. Okay, so there goes saying this never was a breakaway gap. This was just a fair value gap that got tapped into. This looks very good. Now we are in this huge 1 hour fair value gap, but I don't like to trade high time frame fair value gaps. But I was like, okay, well, it is what it is because the external model is looking very bearish. So going into our model, we have this 5 minute fair value gap, never got inversed, and then we saw displacement down here, but that's not what I was looking at. I was looking at the displacement on the 3 minutes. So right here we have the, what is it? Okay, yeah, so out of this 5 minute fair value gap, which is also a 3 minute fair value gap, there's displacement coming out of it. That is telling me that orders are getting filled up here. We just took out this internal high. Orders are getting filled. We are most likely going to go down. Now, I saw this 1 hour fair value gap. I was expecting price to come into it, at least tap an EMA before I entered. Also, there was news at 10 o'clock. This was at 10:57. I'm sorry, 9:57, 9:58. So I never actually entered the trade, and I would not have entered the trade unless it was like yellow folder. But then on, yeah, my stop would have been up there because that would have invalidated the trade. Now, obviously, I want my stop to be probably down there, but for the trade to be invalidated, I would want to see one of these highs to get taken out. Actually, I don't want to see that, but obviously, if this were to get taken, then we're probably going to go higher, depending on the model. But yeah, so this is on QQ. I think Spy had the better take profits. Okay, yeah, so on Spy, I was wanting to see pre-market low get taken, yesterday low get taken, and uh, yesterday new day opening gap to get taken. So I saw all the sell side, and I said, okay, well, based on the external model, the internal model, it's all lining up looking bearish, and we're probably going to go lower because there is a lot of resting sell side that needs to get taken. So I saw those setups, went on my funded. I did lose $368 earlier prior to this, and they made 375 or 376. I'm not completely sure, but I'm up $8 on the funded. This is the what is it called? The evaluation. This is not like actual, like I have not passed my funded account, but I haven't traded on this in like 2 weeks. I literally bought this account in like the worst time. I bought it early December, and the entire month of December I barely traded because I kept getting fried, and I was like, bro, this is not fun. So now I'm back to making trade recaps and actually trading again. So hopefully I can pass this funded account, and I can just start trading on multiple accounts. Cause that'd be kind of cool. But yeah, that was my trade recap today. like I said, I made $0. I made 8 on the evaluation, but it is what it is. This dumped a lot quicker than what I thought, and there's also red folder news at 10 o'clock, and my entry was gonna be at like 9:58 or so. So I was just like, that is not a good setup. That is no, I'm not doing that. But the bias was correct, so I just want to say this real quick. My entry model on this would have been I guess a fair value gap retracement. I didn't even look for the bracket structure. I'm like, didn't even think about that. But fair value gap retracement, and then yeah, I guess displacement. Is that even an entry confluence? I guess kind of. And then high time frame fair value gap. I guess. I don't know. This was all taken off of a fair value gap. Well, multiple, but high time frame fair value gaps. But I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.